On the geopolitical front, during the Quad summit, PM Modi reiterated the importance of unity in the Indo-Pacific region, particularly in light of rising tensions with China. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated a magnificent Babs Hindu temple in New Jersey today, marking a significant moment for the Indian diaspora in the US. The PM emphasized the enduring cultural connections between the two nations.
Another temple has been targeted in America, the BAPS Swaminarayan Temple in New York. It was vandalized. Temple authorities found hate messages spray-painted on the temple's entrance. They were directed at India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In a few days, the Indian Prime Minister will be in New York. He plans to address the Indian diaspora at a venue barely 28 kilometers away from this temple. Ahead of the visit, Indian diplomats are demanding strong action from US law enforcement agencies. They reached out to the local community and spoke to local authorities. The vandalism has been condemned by a range of US lawmakers, from Brian Fitzpatrick to Neeraj Antani, Tom Suozzi, and Ro Khanna. They were all quick to condemn the attack on the temple in New York. Local groups like the Hindu American Foundation have highlighted the recent attacks in Canada and the US on X.
In domestic politics, the first phase of Jammu and Kashmir's assembly elections began today, with reports of high voter participation despite security concerns.
बिल्कुल हम चाहते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वोटिंग हो जाए ताकि बरादरी भाईचारा हर हिसाब से कायम रहे।
हम वोट से उस कैंडिडेट को चुनते हैं जो आवाम के मसाइल को हल करे। हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी में पिछले 30 साल से मौजूद तारीदामी है। आप अगर इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी को देखेंगे, पूरे J&K में कई चीफ मिनिस्टर भी रहे हैं, उन्होंने इतना डेवलपमेंट नहीं किया है। हम खुशी से आज निकल कर 2014 के बाद उसी कैंडिडेट के लिए निकले हैं ताकि हम अपना वोट उसके हक में दें। अब किसी के पास कोई डर नहीं है मरने का, पहले डर था, अब गोली मारेंगे, उसकी वजह से अब लोगों के मन से खौफ उठ गया है, इसलिए लोग खुला आकर वोट आ रहे हैं।
Meanwhile, a heavy rainfall alert has been issued by the Indian Meteorological Department across 6 states, including Karnataka and Maharashtra, as monsoon conditions continue to intensify. And in sports, India dominates the ongoing cricket test match against Bangladesh, asserting control on day 4 in Chennai.